Anyways, what's up guys? It's your girl Amanda. And if you've never seen my face before and this is your first time, oh, thank goodness we linked up when we did. I'm just kidding. But make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? And maybe follow me on my social medias. Those are always linked down below, girl. Don't you worry. So today I've decided, you know what? Let's glam these nails up together, because I'm not sure if you even like nail videos. And if you do like nail videos, what kind do you like? Doing the nails, making them, shaping them, forming them, all that kind of stuff? Or do you just like the fun and exciting shit at the end with all the glitz and glam and colors and all the fun stuff? Because that's my favorite part. I just have to unfortunately sit through all of that other crap to get to the fun part. So please let me know down below what kind of nail videos you like, so then I'm giving you what you want. Anyways, so I did my nails already. I got beautiful long stiletto shaped. This guy's only painted because I wanted to make sure that that shade of pink was right for what I have in my mind. So today we are going to be using my Pinky Rose Gold Fairy Dust Powder, some bling, because I am extra as fuck, okay? The sooner you know that, the better off we'll be. But I just recently got these off Amazon. This is the color pattern or color scheme I'm going with. So yeah, I got the 3 polishes that I'm going to be using right here. Yes, they are UV polish. So I do have my, little UV light right here. And yeah, so let's get started and let's bling up these nails and see what kind of designs I can come up with. Okay, so here is the setup I could come up with. But anyways, so I have my gel polishes here. I've got my top coat here. I got my base coat. Okay, so this is like the color pattern I decided to go with. I love mix and match like this. And I totally forgot about these. Oh my gosh, look at, they're like little tiny Chanel nail decals that's like iridescent. And I've got like other sizes. Well, these ones are like with no drips like that one. But I'm gonna add those in on these nails too. Yeah, if you guys are interested in like any type of luxury DIY or like, make your own, let me know, because you should see the shit I have that I've made. Like, it's fucking amazing. Not to toot my own horn, but anyways, let's get back to the video. Okay, so I think they turned out absolutely beautiful. I love them. There are my thumbs. I'm going to do my fairy dust on this nail here. So I'm going to take my shitty top coat and just do a very light layer. So then I can, pat the glitter on. So I'm going to grab some on this thing here and tap it on. Max. Anyways, I didn't cure the top coat and I'm just taking some of the glitter. Oh my gosh. And I'm pressing it onto the nail. And then I'm going to cure it. Okay, so that is cured. So I think this cool like drip one, that one, can you see it? Oh yeah, you can. There's like drips on that CC. So I think that one's gonna go bam right on my middle finger. So you peel it off of the like sticker backing and there's gonna be transfer tape, and very gently stick it down however you want. So I think mine's gonna go right there. And then press her down real good. Okay, and now let's peel up the transfer tape. Oh my gosh, look at how sickening that looks. Ah! Oh my gosh, I am so obsessed. That looks so amazing. Oh, we've got one bigger CC, and then we've got like one small one and one like medium-sized one, and of course the adorable little bow. I think I'm gonna put that CC down here sideways. So I'm going to take this CC and I think I'm gonna put it on this finger. Okay, so just to be safe, I think I'm gonna put a couple layers of the top coat on the decal nails. How amazing. I am just absolutely obsessed. Okay, anyways. Okay, so I put the bow on like that finger. So then I'm gonna stick it down real good and real fast. And then I'm gonna put the top coat on. Okay, so this is the placement of the decals. I think it actually turned out really nicely. I am gonna try to do some like nail art with some white gel polish. Either I'm gonna really screw this up or it's gonna turn out pretty amazing. So let's just see where it brings me. Okay, so I got a little line there. I'm gonna try to do like a heart. Mind you, I've like erased shit 500 times. Oh my gosh, look how adorable that is. So freaking cute. All right, so there she is, all cured. I actually love it. Like, I think it's adorable. So, and I got a shit ton of little gems right here. So now I'm just gonna bling the shit out of these nails. Okay, so I laid out just a bunch of the different sizes. I put some of the top coat on my nail. Okay, there's the first nail. I think it's absolutely adorable. I'm gonna set it. Okay, so I don't know what actually happened. My camera just stopped recording. But all I did was put some like unicorn fairy dust on my pinky. And I actually think this hand turned out perfect. But before I go ahead and slap on a complete top coat on all of the nails, I'm gonna finish this hand. Okay, these are turning out so freaking amazing. at that. Oh my gosh. Holy shit, guys. Like, these nails are definitely the bombest ever. You know what? I'm gonna add some more to this guy here. Sweet. Now I feel like, you know, the hands kind of like go together. Okay, I think I'm gonna do like some more nail art and put it on this nail. So let's see what kind of beautiful design I can think of. Cause like I'm so good at nail art. They're simple, but I think it's actually cute. Maybe I'll throw like some jewels on it. There, that's simple, cute, said it. Now that, you know, all the jewels are safe, I'm gonna do a top coat on all of the nails that have the jewels on them, just to seal everything in one last time. And then we'll check out the final product. I think I did pretty damn good. Okay, so are you ready for the final look on these amazing nails? I am seriously obsessed with these. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love the color. I love all of the design and diamonds. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Let me know if you would rock a set of nails like this. Oh, I love them. Well, guys, that brings an end to this video. Here's another quick close-up. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love these nails. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to let me know down below what kind of nail videos you want to see. If you love nail videos, let your girl know. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me on all my social medias. And I'll see you real soon with another video. Love you guys. Bye.